Okay, here is the template for this upper level. There's the road out in there. Any place you see like squigglies, that's bushes or something. There's the bus station. And there is the new Kelly's Cafe. It's right there. I put it in behind the hotel and across from the bus station. I figured that'd be a good place to do it. And then here are some of the other buildings. This is the final version, and I'll stop here and I'll walk around to the other side. Here's a look down the main street, whatever we're going to call it. Originally, where these trees are, I'm going to put a little park here. This was where I was going to put that Kelly's Cafe, but I thought it looked better where I showed it to you. But I've drawn all the streets in. You can see them here, and they go around to the side where there's a couple of industries over there. This is all the buildings. I got lots of painting to do. The building with this roof, this is a bank, and I've got driveways on both sides, and I'll have parking in the rear. One of the things I did with the hotel down there is this sign. Hotel used to be on the corner, and I moved it to the middle, so it would be much more visible. So I'll stop here and I'll walk around to the other side. Here we are. This will probably be a really bad looking bar. I got the green buildings. I think there's two of them there. Yeah, they're off of Thingiverse, and they come out pretty good. They got brick on them, so they need to be painted. I need to do roof and put some stuff on the windows and things like that. Okay, here's a couple of industries on this side, and I'm going to shake it a little bit here, get up to the top. Okay, and so here will be this street. And once again, I got the 5/8 inch sidewalks around the entire area. This building needs some repairs. This is where the mail gets dropped off or picked up in this area. Here's another picture of Kelly's Cafe, and there is parking in the back. You'll notice here it is across the street from the bus station, and there's another street. There are probably be some parkings on this street here because it's wide enough. And this is a kind of an old kit-bashed building. So this is from the Walters, it's one of the engine house or shop or something like that. And then this, of course, is the old DPM modular stuff. Okay, here's the back of this area here, and there'll be some more park or something in there. Originally, I was going to add another siding going into here, but I said, nah, why bother? It's, it's just more work, and I really don't feel like doing it. This road, here's the road here going out, and then there's the other end of this road here. There'll be some parking in front of here, Al's gas station. So this road here will come across and then be able to, not where this car is, but it'll come down into this area in here. And then it'll also cross the tracks here and go over to that area. So this is just a quick overview of how the town was laid out and how I got, I mean, some of them I know what they are, so they're listed by name, but the other ones are all numbered. And so this is what'll go back into the house, and then I'll work on laying out the roads and the base for all the sidewalks and the buildings. So okay, next phase we'll show you when it's done. Bye.